Yeah, some fun things about being an adult. Cutting down tree limbs isn't one of them. There'll come a day in your life when your best friend will ask to borrow your chainsaw. That's being an adult, is telling him, hell no. You know he has 3 Ryobi chainsaws in his garage, and he's a once and done kind of guy. Yeah, being an adult is knowing how many logs you can stuff in a trash can before they'll tag you and keep on going. It's also knowing when to stop. Yeah, I'd say based on that setting sun, it's just about beer 30. I should finish this, but not today, Kimosabe.